Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel and the TFSA Wealthsimple Trade Portfolio. Before we get into the update, I just want to thank everybody that's joined the channel, subscribed, leaving comments. I really appreciate it. We started this journey almost a year ago and we're seeing the channel grow. We're finally seeing the portfolio start to kind of mature and kind of grow a little bit as well. You'll see today we are finally in the green after about a year, which is kind of nice to see. Shows I'm hopefully on the right track with some of these choices that I've made in the portfolio and the stocks that I buy. So just want to start off. Thanks everybody for joining along. If you are new to the channel and this is your first time catching this video, trying to grow a Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio all the way up to $100,000. We started last year in April 1st, almost the 1-year anniversary. So it'll be great to have you follow along. Hit the subscribe button if you aren't already. But if you are subscribed and you do follow along, make sure you're always checking out the comments in a lot of these videos. There's a great community we have started. There's some great comments and suggestions in the comments, you're not just getting some information from myself, but we've got a great community built here as well. It's great to see everybody helping each other out with their investments. Let's just jump right into the portfolio. All right, here we are in the Wealthsimple TFSA trade portfolio. We're using the app. As you can see, we're up on the month all time. Let's just jump right in because it's kind of nice to see. We've been going for about a year, up 1.38%. So it's kind of nice to see the portfolio in the green finally. Let me know in the comments how your portfolio is doing. We had some pretty good days. Last Friday was good. Today started off okay as well. So it's nice to see things improving on the portfolio. BEP.UN up 1.35% today. You're going to see these prices possibly change a little bit because the market is still open when I'm filming this, but we have 10 shares of that, getting pricey, up over $50, but we're up 8.38%, which is nice. We'll still add to this. We might have to kind of start to go into some of the fractional shares with BEP.UN just because it is getting kind of pricey. Haven't done a deposit for a little bit, but we definitely will be adding to that one. BTC, this is the purpose Bitcoin yield in ETF. It's a mouthful there to always say. I purchased this a couple of weeks ago. If you're watching the channel, when I did purchase it, I got it, I think, at the kind of a good bottom time of the market. Now I wish, always hindsight is always the 2020, but we did purchase 20 shares and we are up 31.92%, which is nice. Now I haven't received my first dividend from this. I don't really know how that's going to show up. Going to be next beginning of April. I think it's around 7 cents per share. Maybe that will change in the months ahead as we go, but it's nice to see. This one is definitely really helping out the portfolio, up 31.92%, which is nice. CMC, not doing that great. Again, we're learning as we go here. This is kind of the fun. This is almost like gambling money, these little small caps. But as you can see, if we do the total value down 75%, but we didn't put much in there, under $200, just kind of fun money. We'll see what happens in the next 5 to 10 years with CMC. Could lose it all. We could do okay. We'll see how that happens. ETC. This is the Evolve Cryptocurrencies ETF. Now this is a mixture of Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you're interested in this one, I have another video on my channel. Just check out one of my playlists and you'll see a bit more information about this ETF. Now this is a mixture of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if you've been watching the markets over the weekend, we had a great weekend in the cryptocurrency market. So this one is up 8.33% today, and we're still down, unfortunately, 16.91%. Our average cost, 13.14. We kind of got this one at a high, but then we got that other one at a low. But it's definitely helping out the portfolio to bring us into the green today, which is nice. Greenlane Renewables, $1.03. I'm going to keep an eye on this one. If it gets down to about $1, I like to kind of purchase this. I haven't done any purchase of Greenlane for a little bit, but I think in the long term, 5-10 years from now, this is a good, hopefully a good investment. Seems to be a little bit popular one on the channel as well. Usually get a few comments about Greenlane Renewables from people, but we are still down 18.86%, but our average price is $1.28. If we can get in there again at about $1, that will start bringing our average cost down. I'm going to be holding these for a long time. Again, this is a long-term portfolio. I'm not going to be, investing money in here that I don't need within at least 10 years. So I think that will hopefully pay off in the long run. REI.UN, this is RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. This is a channel favorite, of course. Everybody leaves comments saying they love RioCan. A lot of people hold RioCan, so pretty happy with this one as well. Doing good today. 25 shares, we'll get our monthly dividends on that. We'll do a dividend update video, of course. Up 22.93% on our 25 shares, which is pretty awesome. That's kind of happy about that one. RNW, we're still down a little bit on this one, up today though 1%, which is nice to see. Everything's doing good today, so it's a good day to check your portfolio if you are investing, but we are still down 6%, 45.35 on 39 shares. Not too worried, getting any regular dividends, and we will keep investing in RNW, absolutely. Last one here, Solar Alliance Energy. That one's not doing that much as well. That's much like the CMC. Just put a little bit in there to kind of play around and just see how that goes. Telus, I keep wanting to call this one AT&T because the logo is AT&T, 32.05 today, up 13.85% on our 17 shares. I do like Telus. I'll keep investing in that one too, and that one's another channel favorite, which people seem to like and comment. That icon really just throws me off. Wealthsimple really has to fix those. And now our two ETFs. This is VDY. Just down a little bit today, 47.38. Prices are going to be fluctuating. We're still I think in that bumpy time in the market, but up 17.24% on 46 shares of VDY. We'll still be adding to these, of course, VDY. And then the last one, last but not least, VFE, the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF. That's always a mouthful as well. And we have 27 shares and we are up 1.47%. But more importantly, how the market or how the portfolio is doing in general. Let's just go on the day, we're up 0.98%. This is really helped out by our two cryptocurrency ETFs. And on the week, in the past week, up 1.18%. Good month so far, 4.91% in the past 3 months, 2.51%. And of course, 1 year, we haven't quite been going for 1 year, but you're almost there, up 1.36%, $131.83. So we're actually almost up to $10,000 in the TFSA, which is pretty awesome. It's nice to see ourselves in the green. All time will be exactly the same because we haven't been going for the year yet. April 1st is the anniversary. I had a comment on the channel last week saying, what are you going to do? Something special for the 1 year? We'll have to see. If we're in the green, we will definitely have a party. That's kind of nice to see. So up 1.36% on all time on the portfolio. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed that one. It's nice to see how the portfolio is doing. It will do another update during the week. Hopefully we have this kind of carry on. But again, I think we're still in for kind of a bumpy time. Taking a cautious approach, I shouldn't say cautious, keeping the same approach for the investment portfolio. I'm pretty happy with where things are and where they're growing. Let me know how yours is doing in the comments below. It's always I always enjoy and appreciate having people leave some comments on some of the stocks and ETFs that they're purchasing and they're following along. And again, if you are watching this, not financial, any kind of financial advice, make sure you do your own research. But it's a good kind of start to check out some of the comments, do a bit of learning, go onto the websites, other people that are sharing information about this, check them out on the websites, do your own research, and maybe there's a good stock or ETF for you to invest in down the road. That's all, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.